back. Remember the bit when all the shiny copper petals were set on fire and moved together to form that huge cauldron? Well, did you know all those petals were made right here in Thorney? Contour Autocraft was the company chosen to do the job. Bruce McLeod is the owner and joins me now. Morning.
Good morning, Paul.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You've had to keep this quiet for a long time, haven't you?
Yes, it was a very big secret.
Well, we've known about it for a while. We've had to stay quiet as well, and we want you to come on over and over again. How did they pick you? Why did they pick you?
The reason they picked on us was, they were looking for somebody to create the shapes. Although there are a lot of companies like us that make this sort of thing, where we're a bit different is that we actually run courses, so we're very well equipped, very well set up to actually make the numbers that they demanded.
And it was a massive project.
It was huge. I mean, for us, it's the biggest thing we've ever been involved with. You know, physically very demanding, but also in terms of, managing the project, getting the numbers out on time.
Now, when they contacted you, you didn't realise what they wanted, did you?
Not at all, no. It was, just a random call, and it was just one of those things. It
wasn't Seb Coe ringing up then?
No. Nobody we knew. And we just, we said we'd have a look at the job, which we did. Just followed on from there.
Didn't you think they were putting in an order for something else?
Oh, yes, definitely. I mean, we didn't relate it to the Olympics at all to start with.
What did you think it was?
Well, even when we knew it was going to be a large project, they sort of threw us off the scent of it by they called the project Betty, which sort of alluded to it being part of the Queen's Jubilee celebrations, so we thought it might be something for that, some sort of sculpture.
Didn't you think they were putting in a bull order for Copper Petals?
That was the first thing I heard, yes, sort of with my poor hearing and so.
And then, when the penny dropped,
oh, it was just
what
amazing.
A responsibility.
It was amazing. I mean, it was a hard secret to keep because I had to keep it. Didn't even share it with the rest of the team that were making the petals. I had to keep the real secret for sort of 6 months. So yeah, that was quite hard.
How were they made? How do you go about making something as huge as that?
A lot of physical work, a lot of hammering using mallets. We also have power hammers. We have various bits of equipment, so wheeling machines, so very traditional techniques.
And how long have you been going?
We've been around since 1976 as a company, and our main business has been working on cars. We actually make bodies for classic cars, mostly 1950s Jaguars, but yes, other things besides.
So this was very different for you?
Very different, yes. I mean, we have done other sculpture and architectural type work in the past, but this was, bigger than anything we've taken on.
Has it brought in lots of other work? Because now you've got the kudos, haven't you?
Yeah, we've only just been allowed to sort of really advertise on the back of it because of the secrecy around it and also the protection around the rights of the sponsors, so it's only recently that we've been allowed to promote it.
It's amazing, isn't it? Coca-Cola gets to promote it all the way through the Olympic Games. You've got to wait.
Frustrating, very frustrating, because really we would have liked to advertise it, as the games were happening, but yeah, it wasn't possible.
Did you get to go? Did they get you some free tickets?
Didn't get free tickets, but I did go, yeah, and it was good to see it, and I managed to get in the stadium.
They didn't sort
see
you
the
out?
Cauldron. No.
Whoa, dear, I said, Seb, I'm taking my petals off.
Yes.
And sorted it out. And what was it like?
Oh, fabulous, yeah, it was a fabulous moment. I mean, even though I knew I was coming, watching the opening ceremony on television, it was still a very magical moment just to see that come together.
Yeah, a great way. If it is the end of the world today, we've had a good
year. That's right. I've topped it. I've gone out on a high, so can't complain.
Can't top it, can you?
No.
You're contented.
I am.
As the fires of hell come raging towards us, you'll be contented. Well, you this morning, and I'm pleased that the local company has done such a great thing, and we can all be proud of Contour Autocraft, and I hope the offers come flooding in.
I'm sure they will in time, yeah.
And if it is the end of the world, nice to meet you.
Thank you, Paul.
No problem.